Hi guys, this is our wireless game stick number 87. This is the package. The standard package. Black color. So let's open and check what we are going to get from inside the package. It's a square package. Once we're open, we will see the game stick itself and the standard wireless controller, two of it. After that, you will see one power supply cable and HDMI extension cable. And the last one is the instruction user manual. Let's remove the back. Then you will see the controller itself, the second controller, two of the wireless controller, and HDMI for connecting the game stick with the TV, the HDMI cable, and here is the game stick itself. Very basic and normal design. And here is the standard package of what we get from the package. Two of the wireless controller and one game stick. Of course, the game stick comes with memory card or SD card you call. And we got two different options, the 8GB model or 16GB model. And the only difference is the numbers of games pre-installed. An 8GB model pre-installed 5,700 games, and a 16GB model pre-installed 12,800 games. Then we're going to show you how to install these games. So first of all, we'll get the game stick ready and remove the cover from the game stick to connect with the extension cable. After that, we get the power supply cable ready. And this side, we're going to connect it with the USB in the game stick. And this side, we will need to connect with any of USB charger head like this. Then this is how we install. After you install all these cables or game stick ready, then we're going to connect this side with the HDMI port of your TV. We're going to connect this USB charger head with the socket. And then we will get 4 AAA battery ready for 2 of the controllers. Then we'll remove the cover from the controller and we'll input the battery. And make sure you put the right position and right direction. And the second one, we'll do the same. And for this model, we have a new design. This switch button is no more just a switch button. Once you turn the switch button to on, which means this is the P1 controller, which means if you turn this switch button to off, this is the P2 controller, or player 1, player 2, 1P or 2P, whatever you call. Then we will show you what's the meaning of P1 or P2 with the gaming system, then you will understand. How are we going to confirm whether the controller is working? Then you can try to press any button. You will check. The controller is working. Every button is functioning. After connecting with the TV, then select the HDMI port which you connect. Then here is the gaming system. It will show on the TV screen. And now you will get each of the controller ready, any one of it. Then you will turn the switch button to on. This is the player 1. Then you are ready to control the system. Or you will press X button to activate this controller. As you can see, the LED light it's blinking. Then it's ready to play. Then you can select any game or any game console. The second controller, you will try the same. The LED light is blinking. This controller is ready to work as well. And now you will check the switch button. If you turn this switch button to on, this is the player 1 controller. And we turn this controller to off. This is the second controller. Then player 1 and player 2. And now only player 1 is support or allowed to control the system. Select different games, select different consoles. And the player 2 controller is not support to control. So now if we want to use the player 2 controller to control the system, then you will turn this switch button to on. Then it can control the system as well. Now we have 2 player 1 controller. And here is the 2 players games. Now we are setting this controller is the on, means player 1, and it's ready to move and ready to play. How about the second one? So for player 2, you will have to put the switch button to off. What if we put this player 2 controller to on button? It will be the player 1. Then we have 2 controller which you can control player 1 now. Then we put the switch button to off, and it will control the player 2. So first of all, you have to turn the switch button to on and press select and start button down together. Then you will enter to this list. And the first is to continue the game, and the second is to exit from the game, and the third option is to save state, which means save game. So you can save to different slot, 1 2 3 4 5 slot, and after you save, you can load from different slot, 1 2 3 4 5. So we will try to save game to the slot 1, and we press A to confirm the save. Then it's saved. And move forward. Then again, we press select and start button together. Then you can see we can load from the slot 1 and press A to confirm the load. Then we're here. And we'll show you again. We press select and start button together. And we load from the first slot, plus 8 confirm to load from the slot 1. Exit. And again, you can press to exit. The same, you press A button to exit. Then we're back to the home page. How are we going to search game? As you see from this list, you can press select button to enter to the search page. Then we'll press select button. Then we'll enter to this page, which you can search game by alphabet. For example, you press A to confirm the alphabet. Bob or Bomberman, B-O. Then you will see all the Bomberman game will be listed on the right side. And you can select and press A button to enter to playing. For example, we will select this Bomberman 2 and press A.